Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get notifications from the Craigslist application on your device. So let's get started right away. Now, if you are not receiving any application notifications from Craigslist, then this might be because app notifications are turned off for this application on your device. So in order to turn it back on, long press on the Craigslist application and tap on the info button. You will then be taken into the application info page for Craigslist. Now underneath privacy, you will see the notifications option. Go ahead and tap on it. And now if this toggle is turned off, then you will not receive any notifications, which means you will need to turn it on in order to turn on notifications. Go ahead and tap on the allow notifications toggle. And now this will enable notifications from Craigslist on your device. You can also modify the kind of notifications that you wish to view by tapping on the notification categories option. From there, you can customize what kind of notification you want to be shown on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to get notifications from Craigslist application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.